Hello everyone who wants to have more rose pots in their garden. Watch this video of mine to know more about how I create rose varieties. There are many ways to propagate roses. Today, I will show you how to propagate roses by leaves. It is strange, special, but easy and effective. Honey is not only good for human health, but also very good for breeding and caring for flowers. Therefore, I will use honey mixed with water to soak rose leaves for 2 hours before planting. Honey has many uses in plant care, including stimulating root growth, providing nutrients, and protecting plants from pests, as well as promoting healthy plant growth.
Two, please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thanks a lot.
We just need to dip the tip of the rose leaf stem into honey water so that the leaves can absorb nutrients and create moisture to nourish the leaves. After 2 hours of incubating the rose leaves in honey water, I will take the leaves out and use a towel to wipe the rose leaves clean, removing dirt, mold, and increasing the ability to resist harmful insects. Watch my entire video to apply it. With just simple rose leaves, you can successfully propagate to make your garden more beautiful without spending any money. Rose nursery pots. We can find nursery pots suitable for the number of flower leaves we want to propagate, enough space, avoid waste for flower leaves to take root and germinate. After putting soil in the nursery pot, I will plant 3 rose leaves in 3 points on the nursery pot. To ensure the rose leaves root and germinate well, I use a little rooting stimulant mixed with honey water to soak the rose leaves, water the nursery pot, and leave the pot in a cool place.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
After 7 days, the rose leaves have taken root and sprouted. Now I can plant them in permanent pots. Roses, with their beauty and captivating fragrance, have long been a symbol of love, romance, and beauty. Each color of rose has its own meaning, expressing different emotions. Roses are fast-flowering plants, blooming after only about 2 months, so we can take advantage of suitable pots and use many different propagation methods to create a more beautiful space.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.